Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at how to grow your small trading capital into a reasonable amount of money. Okay, you heard that right, how to grow your small trading capital. So stay tuned to the end so that you will understand every steps that I will be highlighting in today's video. Make sure you get your notepad and your pen ready so that you can take note of some vital points for you to apply while you are trading live and directly on your trading platform. Okay, so before I go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online, more especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. You heard me right. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you are missing a lot. Kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set it to all notifications. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also quickly, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, quickly, we'll be looking at the market together to analyze the market, and so that we will know what is happening in the market. That will be the first thing we'll be doing. Then the next thing will be we going into the main course of today's video, which is how to grow your trading capital. Okay, that of the trading tips is going to come up later on in the day, not in this video. I'm going to post it later on in the day, so you guys should check out, watch out for that. That is the more reason why you should be a subscriber. So if you are yet to be a subscriber, kindly do so now so that you won't miss out from the tips for the day or night, depending on when it will be coming up. Okay, so let's quickly go straight into the market to see what is happening in the market. Okay, I'll be starting with boom 1000 and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, as we can see, so many support has been broken due to this very strong downtrend. Okay, it has gotten to this support and it went back up again, which was a pullback, and came down again. Okay, got to that support level again. It was unable to break it. This time around went back up above this and it got to this level. Then the main gist is that it is trying to go back on the uptrend, which is to this level. If you should remember, I told you right here that if it does not break if it is able to break this resistance, if it comes up and is able to break this resistance level, then it will go up, but it was unable to break it. But this time around, that resistance level almost got broken here. Okay, this time around it is going back to that support level again. So if it should go up again, it is most likely for it to break this resistance level, and if it breaks it, then we should see it moving up to this level. Okay, but at the moment, this is 1 hour time frame, so it is trying to create a bullish candle at the moment. Okay, of course it is on downtrend at the moment, not full downtrend, but at least it is selling for now. It is having a pullback. Okay, let me use the word pullback. It is having a pullback from this resistance level. Okay, so once it gets to the support level, it should continue the uptrend. Okay, so let's see what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, of course it is at a support level, so we are likely to see a pullback any moment from now. Of course it should be buying any moment for now. Okay, this is I'm using the crusher indicator here. You can see it has been coming from a very long downtrend. Okay, so all this points are very important for you to take note of. Then you should also check out something. It is creating um, a channel. Okay, check it out. You should also check out something. So if there's going to be a pullback, once it is approaching this line, then you should exit the market, because that is serving as the resistance level around this level. You can see that it is not getting to the main resistance level before it is bouncing back. Okay, so you should watch out for that. The same thing is happening with the support level. You can draw the channel for the channel edge for the support level here also. Okay, you can do the same thing with this. Okay, check it out. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to pick that up and adjust it. Okay, check it out. So you can see it is being traded within this channel, and this is 1 hour time frame, so it is very easy for you to check out. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. We don't really have much stories to say. This is 1 hour time frame. Of course, it is on downtrend. You can see it's been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. Okay, for boom 500, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, it has been on uptrend for a while, of course trying to consolidate around here. It has just gotten to this support level, so we should see another. The issue is it has not been able to break this resistance level. Okay, it's a very strong resistance level, so once it gets to this level again, it should bounce up again and try to break this resistance level. If it's unable to break it, definitely it will come down again. So I will be stopping there with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have for today, which is how to grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, I'm going to explain to you step by step on how to achieve this. Okay, so I've been getting so many questions about how they can grow their small trading capital. A number of them have said that since I started with small trading capital, that I should help those that are having small trading capital, that have helped most of those that are with huge capital. Okay, it's not about helping people who are having huge capital. No, it's not about that. It's just that they find it much more easier to trade with their trading capital using whatever strategy I'm sharing. This strategy I will be sharing here today, if they should apply it also, they will still be more favored than you that are using the small trading capital. And there are some other things, guys, that you guys need to know. Okay, there are some other things you guys need to know. Okay, if you are using a small trading capital, you shouldn't expect to earn as much as what someone that is using a big trading capital will be earning. Okay, so you shouldn't be too expectant. Okay, you shouldn't put so much bill on that small trading capital or whatever you will be realizing with the small trading capital. If you are doing that, okay, someone once asked me that how can I help him, that he is having $20 and he wants to grow it into $5,000 within 2 weeks. Okay, already immediately I told him that he is not ready to trade. Of course, I'm not saying that is not possible. It is possible, but it happened on a rare cases. Even with gurus, it happens on a rare cases. And another thing is that why I asked to shut the person down was that once you have such impression at the back of your mind right from the beginning, then know that you are giving away your trading capital. You are throwing it away. Okay, I'm going to repeat that again. Once you have such idea at the back of your mind, you are throwing away your trading capital immediately. Even if you are having $1,000 to trade with, and you already have it at the back of your mind that you want to use it to eat millions of dollars immediately, then you are throwing away your capital immediately. Or probably you are looking at it to solve a pending problem, or you are looking at it to pay a particular debt or thereabout, you are already giving away your trading capital no matter how much you are having. And I'm going to prove that to you. Someone once discussed with me. The person told me that he is in debt and he was able to gather some money together. He gathered $7,000 together, and he felt that if he should trade with that, he will be able to pay up his debt. I warned him. I said, if you are trading based on the fact that you are trying to pay up your debt, then you should stop right now. Of course, if you do not stop, it is most likely you lose your money. It is psychological in nature. You will be trading against the trend. You will be trading against everything that you have known before. Your focus will be on how to pay up your debts. Okay, I'm going to repeat that again. Your focus will be on how to pay up your debts, not how to grow your trading capital or how to apply every strategy in order to trade successfully. And 2 days after discussing with me, it came back to me telling me that it lost his money. You can imagine that, right? It came back telling me that it lost his money. So it's not about the capital, and it's also has to do with the psychological effects. Okay, are you stabilized to trade at that particular time? All these are very, very important. Of course, it is always easy for those that are having big capital to trade with ease than for those that are having small capital. At the same time, I am not saying that you cannot start with small trading capital. Okay, when I started with more than $200 and I lost it within 2 days. Okay, but when I learned how to trade properly, I started with $50 and I grew it up to $2,000. But when I got to $1,000, I knew the difference between trading with small capital and trading with big capital. Okay, right now I even know more. Okay, so let's go on how you can grow your small trading capital. One of the things that you need to take note of is the first thing is you need to be sure of the market. Okay, the market you are going into. You need to understand the assets you want to trade properly. Then that is where all your support, resistance, your entry point, your exit points, then the trend are coming in. Okay, so once you know this, then you will be able to trade the assets successfully. Then the next thing you need to do is have a very good trading tools which can help you to identify some of these things easily without any issue. Okay, once you have this, then you are good to go. Then the next thing is you having a realistic daily target. Okay, once you have that, then that will save you from over trading. Then it will also save you from the aspect of you trying to make so much money with a small trading capital. For instance, someone once asked me that how can he be making $500 per day, and I asked, how much is your trading capital? He said $50. And you want to be making $500 per day? Man, I don't think that is possible, because even if you try to achieve it, I'm not saying it is not possible, but you guys just need to understand there are some days that the market will be juicy. Okay, once it is juicy, then you can achieve anything you feel like achieving at that particular time. I once have a student that took $25 to $11,700 in 4 days. Okay, so anything is possible here, but just because it is possible, I mean it made it happen, does not mean you too will make it happen, and it does not mean it will always achieve that same result every day. Okay, it does not mean it will always achieve the same results every day. No. So you guys should understand this. Okay, so once you have such thing at the back of your mind, then you are ready to lose your money. So don't have it at the back of your mind. Even if you achieve it the first day, the second day, it is possible for you to lose everything because you are still going on with the same mindset. Okay, so it is always important that you plan to grow it gradually. It takes time, but once you grow it gradually, and the more the bigger your capital, the more comfortable, the more confidence you will be having in the market and in yourself, and also the more you will be able to trade easily in the market. Okay, all these are very, very important. So let's check out how we can do this. Okay, so I'm going to take us down to this level. Okay, on this level, if you want to trade successfully, I will advise you to come down to the lower time frame. Okay, you can do your analysis with the higher time frame, but I'll always advise you to come down to the lower time frame. In that case, you will be able to get an easy signal and be able to trade within that time frame. The reason is, if you are trading on higher time frame, not that it is not possible, but you should also consider your trading capital. You should also consider the lot size you are using. Okay, if you are trading on higher time frame, probably on higher time frame, it tells you that it is on uptrend. In lower time frame, it is possible for the market to be on downtrend. So at that particular time, if you should follow higher time frame, the market will be going against you. And if you are the type that love using big lot size, then you will exhaust your trading capital before the markets will go in line with the higher time frame. So it is always important you take your time to trade on lower time frame. So right now we are on H1, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator because it makes it very easy for us to analyze. Okay, but instead of using H1 to trade, of course you can use it, but instead of us using H1 to trade, I'm going to take it down to M5 or M15. Okay, so this is M5. Okay, you can use any of the two. M5, this is M5. Make sure you obey every rules I will be highlighting in this video. Okay, the first thing you should take note of is the trend of the market. Okay, right here the trend is very, very important. Okay, once you see a drop down arrow like this, it shows that the trend is changing from this green color to the red color, and once you see green, it shows that the market is on uptrend. You can see it going up around here. Okay, and once the market is red, you see it coming down. You can see it coming down around there. So what do? This should be where the market is changing. Okay, all you need to do is to come to the main chart here. Okay, with this, it shows that you should be getting ready to trade. But is it around the resistance level? If yes, okay, is the resistance level, what is the strength of the resistance level? Is it a very strong one, or it is just an untested resistance level? That is also very important. This is a tested resistance level. In short, it is a verified resistance level. And the next thing you should wait for is the arrow, your sell arrow, which is your entry point. Okay, once you get your sell arrow, you can come in and sell. Okay, this time around I'm going to tell you this. Okay, it is possible for you to come in here and close your trade down here. Okay, the trend is even yet to come to an end. At the end of the trend, it is possible for you to do that, but I will advise you to only do that if you have a very good trading capital. But right now we are teaching ourselves how to grow our trading capital from a very small amount of money to a big amount of money, depending on what you are seeing as a very small trading capital. Let's say anything between 50 and let's say anything between $10 to $50. Okay, anything between $10 to $50. Okay, that is what we are considering as a small trading capital. Okay, but I always advise you to start with $50. Okay, so which means this should be our entry point on the arrow. Okay, once you come in, all you need to do is to stay there for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes, because you are using a small trading capital. At this particular point, you are not expected to stay in the market for a very long time, and you are not expected to trade all throughout the day. All you need to do is just to trade to hit your daily target, and make sure your target is realistic. Okay, so let's say we come in here, we pick up our 5-minute candles, we close our trade. You can come in here again after this spike. We got another sell signal here, and so far the trend is still red. We can come in here again and pick up another 5-minute candles and close the trade. You can pick more, but it depends on how good you are in analyzing the market. But I'm looking at you as if you are a newbie, someone that knows nothing about the market. You just want to follow my simple instruction and make sure you are not getting it wrong. So just follow everything I'm explaining. All you need to do is to wait for another opportunity. Right here, if you are picking 5 minutes, that is 10-minute candles already, which is cool enough. Okay, if you should wait for 2 more opportunities like here and here, definitely you should have gotten to your trading, you should have gotten to your daily target. That is, if it is realistic enough. Okay, so that way you should be closing your trade with that, most especially if you have this setup for boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500, then it will be very easy for you to achieve your targets within 2 to 3 hours maximum in a day. So just dedicate like 2 hours for yourself. Set up your charts. You can do this at any point, at any time of the day. Set up your chart for boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500, whichever one that is coming with the signal first. Pick it up and close it. Okay, wait for the next signal on any of them and pick it up and close it. By the time you do it about 4 times, then you would have achieved your daily target. You can achieve this within 30 minutes if the market is juicy, but if not, you can easily do that within 2 to 3 hours. And with that, just dedicating 3 hours of your day, of your day every day, then will help you grow your trading capital easily. With that, okay, let's say we are getting 5 that is 20 minutes, and let's say you are using the smallest lot size. So let's do a quick calculation. Let's see what we can get with that. Okay, let's say you are using 0.2 times that should be giving you approximately 20. Okay, is 0.2 times 20 minutes. Okay, this should be giving you 20 cents. Let's say you are getting 20 cents per minute. Okay, so times 20, that should give you $4. Okay, $4, that is $4. It might look small, but your trading capital has grown to $54. If you should do compounding method, then definitely in a week you should be getting, growing your trading capital to $100 in a week, or even more. You should be growing it even above $100, and at that stage you can always increase your lot size so far the trading capital is increased. Okay, so let's say you even want to earn more. You can decide to pick 6 opportunities. Okay, 6 opportunities, that is like 5 times 6, that is 30. Okay, let's say you are getting 0.2 times 30. Okay, that is $6. So today it's going to be $56, tomorrow it's going to be $62. At that particular point you can increase your lot size to 0.25 or 0.3. okay, let's say it's 0.3 times 30 again. You're going to see this, that is $9. Okay, it has increased to $9, so that will be 62 plus 9, so that should be giving you $71. Okay, that is amazing, isn't it? So if you should continue like that in a week to 2 weeks, I mean, in a week you should be far above $100. In 2 weeks, then we should be very close to $1,000. In 2 weeks you should be very close to $1,000, if not getting to $1,000. So it takes a gradual process. It might look small from the beginning, but with time you will notice that it is now becoming bigger and bigger every day. I mean, the profit you are realizing is increasing day by day, because you will be using the compounding method. Okay, that is what you will be using, so it is very easy for you to achieve. Okay, so that is how to go about it. I want you to study this method. I want you to plan alongside with this and see how far you can go. You can try it out with your demo account. You can try it out. Just try this method out to see if it works. If it works, now apply it to grow your small trading capital from one level to another in order to achieve a big trading capital within a little period of time. Okay, so once you start getting to $200, $300, you trade with ease and you trade with more confidence, and at that particular point you earn more profit daily. So that is how it works. Okay, so once again, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.